Welcome to the preview of the Knowledge Management Roundtable here in Victoria. The Knowledge Management Roundtable is a peer learning network. We have people from all sorts of organisations, be they global, domestic, public, private, large and small. These guys come together 4 times a year in our roundtable meetings at the MCG, and then we have what we call common interest work groups where we look in detail, do site visits or masterclasses. Membership is 2 people at each event, any 2 people in the organisation, any event. It's really a great way to help your people develop in the field that they're working in. The sort of forthcoming activities, if you're interested, we have a calendar here in the yellow area, some of the areas that we've done in the past: Social Media World Cafe, Speed Dating for Design Thinking, ABC come and talk to us about their community engagement and their social media within and outside the firewall. Things like been to Ericsson, looking at how they create a culture of knowledge sharing. PSN, which is a global construction company, talked to us about their global leadership development model. Recently we had a roundtable meeting where CPA shared with us their change management practice around system implementation. We also did some work with Deloitte around reverse mentoring, and we've done some work around communities of practice at that meeting as well. So it's very diverse topics at the roundtable meetings themselves. If we look at the sort of activity that we cover, it really is very broad: communities of practice, social collaboration, strategy, knowledge sharing, CRMs, culture of knowledge sharing, intranets, workforce planning, knowledge mapping, roles and responsibilities, maturity models, libraries, intranets and portals. All sorts of things are covered in these sessions, and the agenda is driven by the members. The common interest working groups that I mentioned before, we have 8 of those, and these were set up by the members based on what their needs are. Creating a culture of knowledge sharing, I'll just skip through these. If you want to pause the recording and read them in a bit more detail, please feel free. Collaboration, we look at organisational development, learning and development and workforce planning. This is the future-proofing things that we need to do for our organisations. Strategy and implementation, of course, intranets and portals. We've done some wonderful site visits and got another one coming up where we're going to see Telstra's SharePoint. Libraries, information management and taxonomy. Enabling technology, Web 2 is something that the Knowledge Management Roundtable has been exploring since we began in 2005, and we're really at the cutting edge of this. Business process, of course, is another area that we've got, and if you're interested in any of that, please feel free to contact us. We also have a member area. The member area is a wiki where a lot of our content, our presentations, things that members have shared with us is kept. And what we'd love to do is to give you a bit of a sneak peek at that, so the other screencasts that you'll find on the website will give you the details of that. I look forward to hearing from you about the Knowledge Management Roundtable. Please feel free to contact me at any time after information, and I'll be more than happy to give you some details. Enjoy.